Hello students, today we will discuss chapter electrochemistry in class 12th. What is the electrochemistry? Electrochemistry is the branch of chemistry that deals with the relationship between electrical energy and chemical energy. Electrical energy and chemical energy. So, in this chapter we will discuss about energy, electrical and chemical energy. Okay students? Now first redox reaction. You know very well what is redox reaction. The reaction which are brought about by loss of electrons means oxidation and gain of electrons means reduction. Simultaneously is called the oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. You can say that in the which reaction oxidation and reduction get together, the reaction is called redox reaction. Okay students, during oxidation, you know very well, oxidation number of an element increases due to loss of electron, and during reduction, you know very well, oxidation number of an element decreases due to gain of electrons. In redox reaction, the substance which loses one or more electron acts as a reducing agent by supplying electrons and is known as reductant. Okay students, and the substance which gains one or more electrons act as oxidizing agent by accepting electron and is known as an oxidant. Okay students, here we take an example. Sodium react with chlorine to form sodium ion and chloride ion. This is a redox reaction. In this reaction, sodium react with chlorine and form sodium ion. Here sodium donate their electron and chlorine gain electron. Here electron is donating and here electron is gaining. So this reaction have two reactions, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. In oxidation half reaction, here sodium donate their electron. So this reaction is oxidation reaction. In this reaction, sodium is a reducing agent because sodium lost their electron. If we talk about chlorine gain electron and form chloride ion, so chlorine is a oxidizing agent in this reaction because chlorine is gaining a electron. Okay students, now electrode or half cell. What is electrode? A conductor that emits or collects electrons in a cell, thermic valve, semiconductor device, etc. The anode is a positive electrode and the cathode is a negative electrode. Okay students, now what is a half cell? An electrode in contact with a solution of ions forming part of a cell. The simplest constant of a metal electrodes immersed in a solution of metal ions, and also half cell are commonly referred to as electrodes.